Drum positioners allow a fork truck driver to rotate standing drums to the horizontal racking position, and vice versa. The positive latching system ensures safe handling of drums weighing up to 800 pounds. The latching system will engage to allow horizontal positioning of drum. Simply slide the positioner extensions over the vertical drum. With the aid of the drum positioner, rotate drum to the horizontal position. It is now ready to slide into the rack. 3 drum positioner models are available. One that accommodates 55-gallon steel drums, and the other holds 30-gallon steel and a 55-gallon poly drum. An economy drum positioner model also available. The mechanical operation relies on the fork truck to rotate and lift drums. The units now feature a welded spacer to protect drum fixtures from damage when rotating. Drum positioners can rotate drums either horizontally or vertically and safely without leaving the seat of a fork truck.